Coast Guard Maritime Safety Information Broadcast. Stand by Channel 10, Channel 10. Belfast Coast Guard out.
We get it almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Yeah. You know, technically, I'm not even really supposed to be here right now. So, yeah. Might as well make the most of it. Yeah! Feels good! Woo! Guess I'm lucky. Some of us don't get a second chance. But I ain't blowing this one. Nah, man. And I feel like I can do anything now. Who can catch lightning in the bottle? Set fire to water coming out the nozzle on the fire hose. Quiet and swatter. Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. Smash an hourglass, grab the sand, take his hands and cup him. Spit around the freezer clock, take the hands of time and cuff him. Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man, Cinderella man. There's a storm coming that the weatherman couldn't predict. I start to bump. You better flee, cause I get ticked. It's a rap. I was down. When I was down, I was kicked. I got up. I'm back to punch it to the ground. You trick. It's a trap. My last CD that's in my trash. I'll be if another rapper gets in my I hit the gas and I spit every rap as if it's my last. You can die in the blink of an eye. So patch your eyelashes and keep winking and blowing kisses cause you're flirting with death. I'm destroying your livelihood. I ain't just hurting your rap. I catch a flow and get going. The remorse I'm showing ain't slowing for knowing there's nothing you can do about it. Zeroing on my target like a marksman. The target is you. I shut your lane down. Took your spot, parked in it too. Arsenic flow, lighter fluid, saliva. What can you do? Go get your crew to hype you up. Stand behind you like, woo! That boy's hot enough to melt hell. Burn Satan too. Fries and put his asses back together with glue. So you can hate him, he don't blame you. Frankly, he would too. This game could ill afford to lose him. How about you? Now guess who? Hey. Here's a clue. He came to the ball and his wife Peter lost his Nike shoe. It's in you. He's in you. He's all up in your psyche too. Now.